Hello guys, I am back from my break from YouTube and yeah, let's get straight to the video. Okay, so first of all, make a new text document, open it, paste the code from the description. Now, very important thing, save it as talk.vbs. The VBS is the most important. The talk you can change anything. Okay, so then we can save and we have our talk VBS here. And what this does is you can write anything here and your computer will speak, just write it in English because then your computer won't save. So like look.
What?
Yeah, and I think that's pretty interesting. Also you can do some long things like wait, let me write it.
PLS subscribe to my
No, just kidding. I don't do these type of things. So, but also, you can prank your teacher with this if you spam some like A's. Then just copy and paste it. You can just copy and paste it over and over again. And then the sounds go forever. And I checked in the task manager. You cannot delete it. So this can go on forever. So it's pretty fun. Okay, thanks for watching and bye.